If you want to learn how to set reminders in Outlook Calendar, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Outlook app or Outlook web version. On the left side, click on Calendar. Now, select the date where you want to create your reminder. For example, I'll pick a date like Thursday, August 21st. Once the calendar opens, click on New Event or the drop-down option at the top. Here, type your event title. This will be your reminder name, like New Reminder. Now, you can also optionally add attendees if this is for a group. If it's just for you, you can skip this step. Next, set your time and duration. For example, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. You can also change the time zone if needed. You'll also see options like recurring reminder, which lets you repeat it daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your needs. You can even mark it as an all-day event, or add a location and description if required. Once everything looks good, just click Save on the top left. And that's it. Your Outlook reminder is now set, and it'll notify you at the exact time you selected.